What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and thanks to Jack.
What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I'm not a financial advisor. I got the hoodie to prove it.
I can officially say I'm not a financial advisor. It's freaking awesome. So today's topic, we're going to be talking about FedEx, and I'm really actually excited to bring you this one. And the reason is because, well, they are really just blowing up in stock price. I mean, they are going to the limit, and Wall Street is behind them. It's actually becoming one of their favorite stocks, and I'll tell you why right after this. Before I start opening packages and really dive into the FedEx stock, I ask that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you guys will get content like this every single day. And on top of that, I ask that you guys smash that like button. It really does. It helps out tremendously. What it does is it gets these videos out to the YouTube universe and allows them to see the amazing content you guys are provided every single day. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that like button. Also leave some comments down below. I like interacting. Now into the stock. I really have been super pumped about bringing you guys this video. And the reason is because I feel personally that FedEx has been floating under the radar in the YouTube universe. I don't think a lot of stock people are talking about it. And I really think it's a valuable stock to any investor. I mean, a lot of people could even potentially swing trade this thing. It has really made an impact in our economy. I mean, if we have been stuck at home, a lot of us haven't been going to work, and we've been needed supplies, we need, food, we need groceries, and a lot of us are just nervous on getting out into the public eye. And so that's where a company like FedEx has really just been helping us out. I mean, look what they did for me. They brought me a not a financial advisor shirt from Jack. So, I mean, it's awesome to think what they are doing during the coronavirus. Anytime you order something online, there's probably a 1 in 4 chance that FedEx is going to be one of the companies delivering that package to your front doorstep. And that's just awesome in my opinion. And I'm about to give you some details on how, Wall Street is viewing FedEx as a stock. And let me tell you, it's great. So I'm going to swing over here and provide you some information on how the analysts really feel. So Christian Weatherby from Citi rates the shares equivalent to a buy, and his price target for shares went to $235 from $170. I mean, that's a huge jump. He now has the highest target price on the street among large brokers. Last week, Bernstein analyst David Vernon upgraded his shares to buy and raised his target price to $225. Vernon also sees an improving fundamental backdrop. Let me tell you, seeing those 200s, that makes me excited. As an investor, I mean, I really believed in FedEx from the get-go, but now that we're, really capitalizing on this coronavirus, they're exposing, what they're capable of doing. Continuing on, Stephens analyst Jack Atkins is optimistic too. He called FedEx his best idea on August 7th and raised his price target to $215. Atkins, like the other two, pointed to improving trends in pricing and shipping volumes. Barron's agrees that things appear to be looking up for parcel shippers, and they wrote positively about FedEx shares in July 2019, believing that e-commerce was an opportunity and not a threat to the parcel shippers' profits. Of course, we didn't foresee that volumes would explode as a result of a pandemic. And I don't think a lot of people saw the pandemic obviously going to happen, but I think as we started to get going, I think we could see that the parcel service, delivery rate was going to increase dramatically. I mean, you got to think about everything that is being ordered on a daily basis across the world for whatever reason it may be. A lot of people are ordering things because they're working from home. Maybe they have to set up a home office. Maybe they need to get it a little bit more convenient for them so they can actually work in a good environment. There's just so much that needed to be delivered to your house. A lot of people maybe, like I said, Nervous to go grocery shopping? There's a lot of options out there on getting groceries actually delivered to your house now. So that's the type of thing, and I think FedEx is really just capitalizing on that. I haven't even really got to talk about the potential production or the ramp up rate at which, they're going to be dealing with during the holiday season. There's a lot of businesses out there that are saying, hey, we're not going to open this year on Black Friday, and we're actually going to be closed. So a lot of those Black Friday deals, a lot of the holiday season type deals are going to be online. So if you go to a Walmart website and order, there's a chance, like I stated, that FedEx is going to be one of those companies delivering. I think that's awesome, and I really do enjoy this stock. I break into my favorite part of any video. I want to provide you guys some numbers to help support with some evidence and some hard facts that I've been telling you a little bit about what the analysts are saying. So I'm going to swing over here and give you some percentages. FedEx stock is now up 33% year to date as of Wednesday's closing price. Shares were up 0.7% at $203.33 in early trading. It isn't a big jump following a bullish report, but shares are about 18% over the past 5 trading sessions. They're up over 18%. Wall Street overall seems to be warming to FedEx shares. About 56% of the analysts covering the shares rate have them as a buy. The average buy rating ratio for stocks in the Dow is about 55%. The average analyst price target is just at $178 a share, below where the stock is trading. Some of those might start warming up like they said, and we might see higher prices. That might not sound like opinions are upbeat, but the average call on the stock price has risen about 20% since the end of June as analysts, including the 3 I listed earlier, weigh the new industry outlook. FedEx stock has gained 1% to $203.94. And when I break into the chart, you'll see that I think it's up a little bit higher than that. It did announce that it would be raising its prices as far as surcharges and delivery rates during the peak season, which is obviously going to be towards the end of this year. A lot of it's going to occur in quarter 4. And rightfully so. I mean, they're going to be pushing the limits, obviously, with the coronavirus impact. And it's another way to create revenue and generate revenue at a higher rate. On top of that, did I mention FedEx pays a dividend? That's right. So that's another reason why I consider this a great investment. Now it's time to break into my favorite part of any video, and that is chart breaking down time. So let's ship on over here and dive into this FedEx stock. So today it opened at $206.84. It got as high as $210.94, and it got as low as $206.84. So its low was its open. Its volume was 2.203 million. Its market cap is 54.46 billion. Its 52-week high is 211.56, and its 52-week low is 88.69. Its average volume is 3.117 million. It closed out today at $207.88. That was up 0.44%, and it didn't do anything in the after hours, which, with lower volume and stuff like that, sometimes they tend not to do that. So we're looking at a 6-month chart, and the reason is because I want you guys to see from the moment that obviously everything was just devastated by the pandemic, this company started to climb. It started to get, hey, we're moving, we're getting packages out to the people, and it slowly got there. Obviously, they were doing all the deliveries, and then quarterly earnings came out, and this thing just started taking off. In June, it climbed up, leveled off, and then since that point, we have just taken off tremendously. And the reason is I've explained it in the video. They are getting so many packages out to so many different customers. They are ramping up, obviously, and it's only going to continue to go up from here. I'm excited to see how close those analysts are really going to be. Could this stock price even beat some of the analysts' predictions? It'll be really cool to see. I'm excited. You guys like this video because I want to provide you guys with different material. I don't always want to just smash you with the EV market. I want to be able to provide you guys with different stocks and stocks that are doing well besides the EV market, and this is definitely one of them, and they are helping out tremendously, and I'm sure you guys use them at least once or twice in your entire lifetime. I mean, FedEx is out there. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.